Find green cleaning products. Sooner or later, going green will be the norm. Going green simply means being actively involved in saving nature and the environment by adopting solutions that would cause less harm to environment. One practical example would be using green, organic, or those proved as environment-friendly cleaning products. If you want to get started with going green now, you have to know where to find green cleaning products. Here are some tips. Browse the internet. There are many environmentally conscious people out there doing their share of saving the environment and educating the public on how and why they should go green by putting up websites, blogs, and web communities related on the subject. Not only can you get tips on going green, but you're more likely to get access to a list of cleaning products you can use that won't do damage to the environment. Check product labels. One thing to do if you're not sure whether a cleaning product is environment friendly is to check out the product labels. First thing to check first is the list of ingredients. If you find that most if not all ingredients listed are all toxic chemicals, especially those containing acids, artificial scents and colors, etc., chuck the product right away. Do not use it. Chemicals and toxic substances only contribute to further degradation of the environment, and unbeknownst to us, there are instances when they also get mixed up with our water sources. Opt for natural, organic ingredients. After checking on the product labels, you should end up with products that are mostly, if not 100% made up of more natural, organic, non-toxic ingredients like plants and herbs. Look around for simple cleaning substances at home. Lemon juice, baking soda, vinegar, salt, cream of tartar, hydrogen peroxide. What do they all have in common? Aside from being natural, non-toxic substances, they can also be used as simple cleaning agents at home. One big thing you can do to save money and the environment at the same time is to concoct homemade green cleaning products. You just need a book with homemade recipes, buy or look for the ingredients you need, and follow the recipes. Visit organic markets, shops, and outlets. Going green and organic is also good for business. That's why some people have decided to put up their own business of providing not only organic food, but also organic and non-toxic products like beauty and skincare products, and household and cleaning products. Finding green cleaning products is not like looking for a needle in a haystack. These days, more and more people are becoming aware and educated about the advantages and reasons for going green. Eventually, there will come a time when going green will be a common practice for everyone. In line with this, some business-minded people have realized that there is a growing market and demand for green products. That's why all kinds of green products, including cleaning products, can be found in retail stores, markets, outlets, and even online. You won't need to look further because the most basic ones can be found in your home.